Good day everyone. In this video, I would like to share a pinch idea for community-based project under scope vermicomposting. The title of proposal is vermicomposting using redworms as food waste treatment. Malaysia food waste data is mostly derived from household food waste at 16,688 tons daily. Food waste can easily decompose into high quality compost since it has high water content and abundant nutrient elements. Food waste is highly rich with organic matters and can act as a unique composting method, which is the vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is a bio-oxidizing method that transforms organic waste by microorganism and redworm into nutrient-rich organic substrate. Vermicomposting is an environmentally friendly technology for handling food waste and recovering nutrients for agricultural uses. The use of biocompost for large-scale vegetable processing will solve the issue of food waste disposal. This pitching idea helps to cultivate awareness among the community to understand the scope of food waste treatment. Besides that, promote simple, effective and sustainable systems. Last but not least, ensure the effectiveness of the activity toward the improvement of knowledge, skills, attitude and practice among the community. This process implement a practical and more efficient food waste disposal method where the food waste will be first pre-treated, which is known as pre-composting. Pre-composting conducted for 2 or 3 weeks to initiate the microbial degradation and also thermal stabilization. Following that, vermicomposting process will be conducted using redworms. Once all the food waste degraded, begin the harvesting process. There are 3 methods of harvesting. First will be manual harvesting. Second, screening or sieving. Third will be harvesting by inducing the migration of redworms. After that, biocompost used for germination of plants. From the product, which is the vegetable and fruits, edible food will be used for human consumption and the wasted food not edible will undergo the vermicomposting cycle. This process is cost efficient, robust, flexible and can be applied to any new or existing building. The process is essentially a zero waste process in which the food waste is reused. This process will achieve an ideal condition that can nearly close the loop of the production cycle from feedstock to product. The production process is optimized to reduce the energy consumption and processing cost. After the product has lost its primary function, it will be used as the material of same biocompost production so that all the available resources are fully utilized, thus forming an endless infinity loop of the production cycle. Impact to people: safe, nutritious and affordable food supply. Besides, ensure food security and also creates job opportunity. This pinch can operate as small business which provide new job for the community. Impact to environment. Biocompost used as soil amendment and protects against plant disease. Biocompost actually improves the structure of the soil by adding the important nutrients, balancing pH and allowing for better moisture infiltration and retention. Impact to economic. Vermicomposting transforms what literally would have been thrown into the trash into an incredibly valuable resources, one that will generate more food and revenue. No matter how it gets done, vermicomposting is a powerful way to decrease your community-produced greenhouse gas emission while protecting and enhancing local food system at the same time. It safeguards our future against the many threats facing modern agriculture, from erosion to climate change. The Earth's ecosystem are the original recycling system. It's time to reinstitute this system and the vermicomposting is a perfect place to start.